The Norwegian Developers Conference is one of the world's biggest happenings within the field of .NET and Agile development. This year's three-day event from the 8th of June in Oslo Spectrum gathered around 1,500 participants from all over the world.
Veldig god stemning og mange gode foredragsholdere. Utrolig mye interessant å lære.
Få oppleve de store gutta som kommer hit og holder foredrag, og også det sosiale. Og møte tidligere kollegaer, dagens kollegaer, nettverk man har fått ellers.
The keynote speaker this year was Scott Guthrie, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft's Azure Application Platform team. He also runs the development teams responsible for delivering Microsoft's Windows Azure, App Fabric and web server technologies and tools.
Well, it's great to be here. This is my first year here, and it's great to have a couple thousand people all excited, and some great technical content, and some really great speakers, and I'm looking forward to the next 3 days. I'm doing a couple talks here at the event. I did a keynote a few minutes ago on cloud computing and talk a little bit about some of the Windows Azure work that we're doing going forward. Later today I'm doing a talk on ASP.NET MVC and talk about the new capabilities in version 3 and we'll kind of show off building an app end-to-end with it.
Among the other speakers were leading international experts.
I am in Norway to attend the Norwegian Developers Conference, which, by the way, has gotten off to a great start.
NDC last year was just a blast. I'm happy to be back. The keynote this morning was well received. My sessions have gone very well. The audiences here are just magnificent.
I think NDC is really great. I'm really impressed, actually. The venue is awesome. I've attended some very interesting talks here, and it was a lot of fun doing my own. I was talking about user experience, specifically how you can go beyond building usable experiences to layering fun and delight and beauty in the objects that you're creating.
31 of the world's leading IT businesses were represented with stands on the conference.
Since the Norwegian Developers Conference started, we have sent a lot of developers here. We need to basically make ourselves known in this environment so we can actually continue growing and continue capturing the best people that we could. And we know that at the NDC you have thousands of attendees, the best people coming out of the best universities in this country. So being here really was going to give us that ability to capture the best people that we could. Last year was a fantastic experience. We enjoyed it. We had a great stand and we made a lot of contacts, and we hired several people from the contacts that we made in this.
It's really cool. There are a lot of people and they're very active. They're coming and asking a lot of questions, and we've got a lot of positive and great feedback. So we're happy to be here.
Feedback from the conference participants was very positive.
I have been baffled how good it is. It's very hard to give you what is the highlights, because there are so many of them. In all the sessions I learned that I know nothing.
Several bands, Trang Fodsel, Post Giro Biget.
NDC is hosted by the Norwegian company Programutvikling in partnership with Microsoft. The founder of Programutvikling, Kjersti Sandberg, was very pleased with this year's conference.
Kjempebra. Det har vært gøy fra første sekund. Står I døren og ser gamle, kjente travere som har vært på NDC 3 ganger før, kommer for 4. gang. Og kommer de fra hele verden, fra Hongkong, fra Australia, Tyskland, Polen. Jeg har møtt folk som har sagt at I fjor sa dette var det beste ever, og nå sier det beste ever igjen. Så dette går den rette veien. Så neste konferanse 6., 7. og 8. juni 2012.